My first wahoo that I shot, it was like a really intense experience because I was after them like for years. And then on the last dive, they show up and they were all around me, and it was like, I was so focused in that moment because I knew that was my first chance that I get to shoot a wahoo. My name is Marius. I live here on the Canary Islands on La Palma. That's our base. We do spearfishing charter. We got guests now from all around the world. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for a living.
Getting ready, getting the guns in the water and load the guns. I'm pretty sure we can find like wahoo, amberjack, all possible on this spot.
Every time I'm excited to get in the water, is it with clients or by my own, that doesn't matter. I'm always getting this feeling in me, a deep feeling, which is so good I can't describe. I grew up on the water with my family when I was small. My parents, they sail around the world. So I'm really used to be on the water, in the water, and diving for sure. It's one part of my life which makes me so calm and takes me down to the bottom. When I'm back, it's the best feeling in my life.
Stuff like that.
Yeah, that's why I was saying, feel free to put me to work too.
All good, all good, all good.
When you're with it.
He told me. But it's like a magnet for all big pelagic. Okay.
Because they probably...
Okay, so try that one. That's super good gun.
Yeah. Photos and videos of actually me doing shit, you know?
Yeah, me too. It's too sharp, but for some shoots it's good.
Never seen it like that.
Yeah,
I've never seen a setup like that.
A perfect day spearfishing for me is when all got safe, where we got safe diving. We have a lot of fun on the boat, driving to the spots, driving back, and on top, the best is for sure if we got the fish in the boat, which we were after.
I saw it going down and then it didn't go up again.
It's much more than just hunting the fish. It's the whole experience that makes a day good.
Uli, heute haben wir Rekorde geknackt.
So you can have a really cool day on the water without seeing or catching any fish. The fish is just the main top of everything.
Okay.